In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Calendly meeting with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to adjust the meeting name, tweak the duration, or update invitee questions, this guide will walk you through every essential step to manage your scheduled events effortlessly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you're using a particular search engine, simply type in Calendly to find the official site quickly. Once you've reached the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find this option at the top right corner of the screen. Just enter your credentials and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. Within the dashboard, you'll see your event types displayed. Take a moment to find the specific event you wish to edit, whether it's a recurring team meeting, a monthly check-in, or any other scheduled session. Once you've located it, click on the event title. This action opens a new window where you can manage everything from basic details to crucial settings. Now let's dive into the editing options available to you. First, you can modify the meeting name and description. This is particularly useful if your meeting's purpose or focus has changed, ensuring that your invitees have accurate context and information. Next, consider the duration. Adjusting how long your session lasts can help allocate time more effectively and improve scheduling flexibility. Another key area to explore is availability. Here, you can set specific days and times when you're free, aligning your calendar with your personal and professional commitments. Location settings are also available, offering various options like Zoom, phone, or an in-person gathering. Simply choose what best suits your needs and those of your participants. Moving on, we have invitee questions. This feature enables you to gather necessary information upfront, like preferences or particular topics they want to discuss, thereby maximizing that valuable meeting time. Lastly, always remember to check your notifications and reminders. Effective communication keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that no one forgets the scheduled meeting. After customizing all these elements to your satisfaction, it's time to save your edits. Look for that save and close button prominently displayed within the editor. Clicking it finalizes your changes, updating the event details for all participants to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to updating your Calendly meetings in 2025. By following these instructions, you can easily manage your schedule and make impactful adjustments with ease, ensuring seamless operations and satisfied attendees. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to go back through any sections of this guide or consult additional resources as needed. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!